PC Manager explain free tools to speed up your Windows. If you have a Windows machine that's getting slow over time, there are free tools from Microsoft that you can use to help clean up and optimize your machine. In this video, we're going to look at Microsoft PC Manager, how to install it, what it does, how you can use it to improve your Windows performance, as well as, so what is Microsoft PC Manager? It is a free optimization tool developed by Microsoft for Windows 10 and 11. It helps you manage performance, clean temporary files, control startup, monitor security setups, helps you manage performance, clean. So unlike other third-party tools, this comes directly from Microsoft and is safe, has boost, memory, storage cleanup, startup management, security monitoring, and etc. So how do we install this in this video? First thing is gonna open the Microsoft Store. If you can't find it, you're just gonna search for it. You can search for it from the browser, but make sure that you install it from the Microsoft Store. So search for PC, just type in PC Manager. As you can see that I'm installing it from the option. I have paused and then for this installation, so I've pressed yes. I will pause this video and then come back once it's installed, just to make sure that the video isn't longer than it needs to be, because of yeah. So this is running on my Hyper-V machine. So yeah, just downloading it from the store, pretty easy, pretty simple. Once installed, we can open it and then have a look into what it does. The one thing I do hate about, or dislike, not hate but dislike about this, is it doesn't give you an option to maximize the screen, which is quite annoying at a point. So while we wait, so things that you would see on the dashboard would be PC Manager. Main dashboard would be Boost, health check, storage management, apps, security. The interface is pretty simple. Shows you memory usage, temporary files can be cleaned. So if you're used to using things like CC Cleaner and stuff like that and other cleanup tools, this is a free alternative. You don't have to pay for it. And yes, a lot of these tools like CC Cleaner and others have become complicated and do cause certain issues trying to remove registry files, and as you can see, it's been installed. The tick at the bottom that I've just went forward to, what it does is just enables it to start up when you power on your machine. So you can uncheck this. There are certain options that you can have. So personally, I don't use all of these options, but if you're interested, you can have a read and go through some of the features that you would like to have running. Definitely having this on startup would be a good thing if you do like that functionalities of that. And yeah, as you can see, just going through the options, you can run a deep scan and clean up your disk, startup, uninstall, deep uninstall. So usually you would need tools for this. So there's a toolbox as well. You can run things out of this as well. Just have a quick read through them as well. So let's start with Boost. Let's I'll start with boost and then press boost. And because this is a virtual machine that I've just created today for this um, whole video presentation, there isn't much that needs to be cleaned up or looked into to speed up the machine, but there would be things on your machine that you could do. You can do a health check, and it just gives you an option to do a quick scan. Not as does take a bit time, but not as long as um you could see, but it's pretty good. So it'll give you an option to optimize, and it's up to you if you want to click on those optimizations. So most things are pretty good, but they have advised some recommendations. So I've just followed the recommendations. So PC status looks good after I've done that, as well as yeah. So startup. So here you can turn off things that you don't want to come up when you start up your machine. You might have noticed it as soon as you log into your machine. It's pretty slow to start up. You can also do this from your task manager as well. But that's up to you. So we've just done a cleanup of the ran a cleanup. So this cleaning up your what you would remember CC cleaner doing as well, cleaning up your histories, cleaning up your cache and everything. So that is something that you could definitely do, as well as you can run. So there's a bit of things that you can run, but because I am not actually running on a machine that I'm using and it's just created for this process, it doesn't have much to clean up. It's pretty fast on its own. So startup, you can do that from here at end as well. So here you can launch, take screenshots and record, and this taskbar repair, restore default apps, enable pop-up blocker management, and run a antivirus scan as well. And yeah, you can run it if you're using Windows Defender antivirus rather than going to the antivirus. It's up to you. If you're going to all legitimate sites, you should be pretty well versed. Have your uBlock Origin installed on your browsers as well, but not going to. And also, you can end in processes. You can end tasks. So I've just ended the task of the Microsoft Store running, which we used to install the PC Manager. And here's where I was talking about the pop-up management. You can have a look. I don't believe it's pretty difficult. It's pretty simple and easy to use. Just missing that maximize button, which I would have enjoyed, or being able to resize the screen. I do not know why it's restricted to that form of it. But thank you for watching, and that was the video for today.